Hello everyone, this is Grade 1, Module 3, Lesson 9 homework. The directions say, look at the picture below. How much shorter is Trophy A than Trophy B? So the first thing we want to take a look at is where these trophies fall and how tall they actually are. So here is one of my endpoints, and here's my other one, and I'm going to kind of go to the next one up. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So Trophy B is about 4 units. And if I take a look at Trophy A, I'm going to see that the endpoint is right there, and I'm going up to about that point. So I have 1, 2, 3. So if I look at how much taller is Trophy B, or how much shorter is Trophy A, the answer is going to be the same. It's going to be 1 unit, because this one's at 3, this one's at 4, and the difference between those is 1 unit. If we take a look further down to number 2, we have measure each object with centimeter cubes. So I'm going to take these red ones and I'm going to match up endpoints here. And remember, with these, I want to try to keep them as close as I can without having a lot of gap, with actually having no gap. And I don't want to overlap these. So about, that looks like the red shovel is 7. And when we say 7 what? We're going to say 7 centimeter cubes. And I'll put that right there. So now let's take a look at the green shovel. And I'll slide this over. And this one's a little easier to view. I'm at 5, 6, 7. That's good right there. About 8. I'm going to move these up just so I can see my answer statement down below. So we have the green shovel is 8, and then again I need my units for it. So 8 centimeter cubes. Now at the bottom, how much longer is the green shovel than the red shovel? So we're not looking in terms of shorter than, we're looking in terms of longer than. And we're still going to find the difference between the two. And I know the difference between 7 and 8 is 1. So it's 1 centimeters longer than the red shovel. And we could say the red shovel is 1 centimeters shorter than the green shovel. So they go back and forth with that. Let's at page 2. Bob's straw is 13 centimeters long. If Tom's straw is 6 centimeters long, how much shorter is Tom's straw than Bob's straw? So my first thing I want to do is I want to get an answer statement in there, or a target sentence, just so I know where I'm going with it. So Tom's straw is blank shorter than Bob's straw. And I might even want to add in centimeters. So there's my answer statement, or my target sentence. Now I'm going to try to model this out and draw it. So I know that I'm looking at 13. So I'm going to do Bob in red. And now I'm going to try to break this apart. And I know if I'm trying to make 13, I need 12 partitions. Not exactly equal in there, but I tried my best. Now we're going to take a look at Tom's is 6. So the way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to draw. I'm going to count off 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because I know that that's how far out Tom's is. So that's Tom. This is Bob. Now the question says, how much shorter is Tom's straw than Bob's straw? So there's a couple different ways I can look at it. And the way I'm going to figure this one out is I'm going to count, because right here they're equal. So now the whatever's left means that's how many more Bob has, or that's how many less Tom has. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can answer this. Tom's straw is 7 centimeters shorter than Bob's straw. But now we need to write a sentence, and I can do an addition or I can do a subtraction. So for the addition one, I'm going to count. I'm going to put down how many Tom currently has. He has 6 plus something will get us to Bob's 13. And I know, but just by counting up here like I did, it's 7. So there's the addition sentence. The subtraction would be Bob's 13. If I take away Tom's 6, I'll find the difference, which again will get me 7. So there's a model and 2 number sentences or equations that you could use, as well as my target or answer statement down below. Hope this helps, and good luck on the rest of your homework.